I welcome you to this small presentation on Master My Life and International Coaching Federation's 4 coach training programs: Emotional Intelligence Coach, Neuro-Linguistic Programming Coach, Positive Psychology Coach and Positive Spiritual Intelligence Coach. All these 4 programs are going to conducted during a period of 6th of August to 16th of September. So these are 5 to 6 weeks duration programs wherein classes will be conducted during each week for 2 days for 2 hours each, that is each week 4 hours of training. Emotional Intelligence Coach and Positive Psychology Coach program will be conducted on each Monday and Wednesday between 6 to 8 p.m. and Neuro-Linguistic Programming Coach and Positive Spiritual Intelligence Coach program will be conducted on each Tuesday and Thursday 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Curriculum of this program has been founded on 3 foundations: development of your life skills, development of one of the domain expertise, whether it is emotional intelligence or NLP or positive psychology or spiritual intelligence, and enabling you to utilize this domain wisdom into your coaching practice. If you are not a coach, you can develop yourself as a specialized coach, and if you are already a coach, you can utilize this wisdom to create a niche for you. Program features: when you join any one of the CC programs, you will get 12 hours of master class series free, and including induction, you will get a certificate of total 40 hours of ICF accredited coach training. You will get total 7 certification, 1 of the CC program and 6 belong from the masterclass series, which are emotional intelligence coaching, NLP coaching, positive psychology coaching, spiritual intelligence coaching, neuroscience coaching and group coaching. All these programs are conducted with a flexible learning ecosystem wherein you will get 24/7 access to the learning management system. You can learn from anywhere, anytime. Apart from the online live faculty interactive sessions, you will also get the recording of these sessions in case you happen to miss any of the sessions. You will get comprehensive expert curated study guides which you can utilize during the program as well as after the program, because these coach study guides will have a lot of information which you can utilize during your coach development journey. You will get lifelong membership to Master My Life's e-library and coaching circle. You will have a great global networking during this program. All the trainers of this program are global expert. They are either ICF PCC certified coaches or MCC coaches or domain expert in any of the 4 domains. The last date of application is 8th of August. Eligibility: any student, professional, coach, entrepreneur, learner, academician, anyone who is interested in any of the 4 domains can take the admission. The fees is 37,500 plus GST, which you can pay in convenient installments. If you want to know more about the programs, you can join induction on 6th of August at 6 p.m. Please check the video description for the Zoom meeting link, wherein you will also get the link to download the brochure. The phone numbers are displayed on the screen in case you want to talk to us. Thank you.